Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with 6 data entry work from home job leads for you. We'll try to go through these as quickly as possible. And I want to go ahead and apologize that if you've seen any of these before, my YouTube dashboard does show me the other channels and videos that my subscribers watch, and so I am always trying not to regurgitate and duplicate what other people in the work from home space are posting. I'm always trying to look and post something a little bit different. But sometimes we are all searching the same job boards, and it's just impossible not to duplicate things. So again, I apologize. But as always, if you're looking for anything specific, feel free to leave that in the comments. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those comments and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I do try to gear my channel towards actually helping you get a work from home job. And so I want to be sharing things that is helpful for you. But without further ado, first up, we have the company ExamWorks. They are hiring a data entry associate. Now, all of these are going to be remote for the United States only. ExamWorks is looking for someone to be able to work 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. They are going to provide all the office equipment that you need for you. But they are just looking for someone to gather, organize, and prepare source documents for data entry into the appropriate system database. You'll review data for discrepancies, missing pages of information, and resolve those issues by standard procedures of returning incomplete documents to the team leader for resolution. If you have documents that are complete, you're going to enter both alphabetic and numeric data from the source documents into the proper system databases. You'll review the data you've entered against the original documents to make sure that you didn't make any mistakes and correct any data entry errors or duplications. You may also at times have to perform other duties such as sorting, filing, and emailing. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED and a minimum of 6 months related experience. They do want somebody who knows Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel, all of those things. Because this is healthcare related, they need somebody who can understand HIPAA guidelines and be very discreet with the information. You have to be able to type 40 words per minute, be able to work independently and prioritize work activities using your time efficiently. So a great time manager. Now, unfortunately, ExamWorks did not list pay for this position. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview. However, they do state they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, vision, dental, and paid time off and 401k. Next up, we have the company Acuren Inspection. Now, this is a temporary part-time position, but they are looking for a data entry clerk to be responsible entering their inspection data, which consists of both numerical data as well as regular text, into their system. You'll accurately enter that into the field reports. You'll recognize, identify, and investigate any data issues. You'll adhere to quality standards. You will also participate in team meetings and keep connected within the organization. You may work within time budget allocations for projects and ensure completion dates are met in conjunction with other team members. So you'll be having data entry projects. They are not requiring any college degree, just a high school degree, 1 year of data entry experience in some kind of office setting, and of course you've got to know that Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint. Those are very important in almost every work from home job these days. The company I work for, we use that too. That's the basis of how people communicate and do data entry. They say they offer benefits including 401k, paid time off, all of those things. However, they did not list the salary for this position. Again, that will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, the company Insight Investments is hiring a data entry clerk. Again, this is remote in the United States. And of course, this is going to be a financial company, but they're looking for someone to maintain large quantities of production data by entering new and updated customer and account information. You'll transfer data from paper formats into computer files or database systems. You'll type in data provided directly from their warehouse systems. You'll also be tasked with creating spreadsheets with large numbers and figures, trying to make sure there are no mistakes. You'll verify the data is correct by comparing it to the original source document documents, update existing data, retrieve data from database to electronic files as requested, and you may have to perform regular backups of that data so that nothing gets lost if a computer system goes down. Again, no college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. Again, Microsoft Office, Excel, Outlook, all of those things. They are looking for somebody who's experienced in Microsoft Dynamics as well. Fast typing skills and great attention to detail. Next up, we have data entry in the legal field. Anderson Legal Business and Tax Advisors is looking for a data entry and processing admin. Again, this is a full-time remote position within the United States. They are a planning and consulting firm with a focus on providing high-quality services for real estate investors, stock traders, and business owners. So they work more in the estate planning and tax planning realm. They are paying $17 an hour for this position, and full benefits are provided. Job duties are filing corporation LLCs and LPs with the Secretary of State, data entry, emailing clients documents that they request. They do say training is provided. They don't require any college degree, just somebody who enjoys helping others, has excellent computer skills, can use Microsoft Office again, and Google apps like Google Gmail, Google Docs, all of those things. And occasionally, when emailing the clients is not working, they want someone who doesn't mind occasionally picking up the phone to help clients with any concerns and help them understand better. Next up, we have the company BairesDev hiring a sales data entry. Now, BairesDev has been featured on this channel before. They occasionally hire data entry for their sales division, but they are looking for someone to be team players with great organizational capacity. You'll be uploading data of landing pages and website new leads on their marketing spreadsheet. You'll perform extensive searches on the internet to find the company contact information from the website or different sources. You'll execute periodic data updates from lacking updated contact information. So you'll go to their website, you'll find that information, and then you'll enter it into the spreadsheet. You'll execute periodic data updates and reports prompt daily and weekly. And you'll read raw Service Connect responses and website messages. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 3 to 5 years of experience in data entry, someone who can be detail-oriented and deadline-driven, someone who has great, excellent English skills, and can be a self-starter. Now, they also provide all the computer equipment you need to get started, as well as they offer flexible hours where you can make your own schedule, and they also offer paid time off. And last but not least, we have the company BroadPath hiring data entry representatives. So they are looking for someone to obtain and process all clinical information needed for authorization of professional and medical services. You'll review all referrals for eligibility, expiration date, and the accuracy of the referral. You'll act as a liaison between the patients, providers, and staff members to direct appropriate cases to the utilization management team. You'll work cooperatively, don't know why I can't talk today, internally and externally with customers to help members, and you'll participate in answering prior authorization calls and entering customer data into the database. So even though this is mainly data entry and reviewing referrals, there are times you are going to have to be on the phone with this one. Now, because this is in the healthcare field, they are looking for somebody who has clinical or healthcare experience, somebody who can handle insurance-based questions, someone who knows the medical terminology like CPT and ICD-10 codes. ICD-9 went away a long time ago. 2 years experience in medical office, and you have to know things about durable medical equipment. Now, they do pay weekly, although they don't state what the pay is, and they offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, all the things. Real quickly, before we wrap up this video, I just want to ask that trying to keep it different and bringing new things to you that you're not seeing on other channels, please feel free to leave down below any suggestions for for this channel that you have. I always love critiqued feedback and take that very seriously, but thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please give this video a thumbs up like button if you found any of this information helpful. That does give me direct feedback. If you don't want to leave a comment, a thumbs up will help. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.